So now I'll be explaining about how each iteration of the merge sort works. So by taking the example data in the code above, so what the merge sort does is it divides the original array into smaller sub-arrays, like taking the data below and dividing it into two. So on the left side, there will be 4, 7, and 1, and on the right side, there will be 4, 2, 8, and 3. So then, it sorts each of the subarray on the left and the right. So it splits the subarray into two once more. So taking the subarray on the left, it will split it into 4 and 7 and 1. So first, 4 will remain there, but 7 and 1 will be separated and it will be compared to each other. As 1 is larger than 7, it will switch places with the 7. So then, as can be seen in the line of code from 6 to 10, where the first index of the left array and the right array is compared, the first index of the right array, which is 1, is smaller than the first index of the left array, which is 4. 1 will be put into the empty list first, then 4 and 7 will be compared. As 4 is smaller than 7, 4 will be added in, and then 7. So by moving on to the right side, 4, 2, 8, and 3 will be divided into 2, where there will be 4 and 2 in the left, and 8 and 3 in the right. Similarly, 5 and 2 will be separated and compared to each other, and 8 and 3 will also be separated to be compared against each other in a smaller sub-array. So as 2 is smaller than 5, 2 will be added to the list, and then 5 will be added. Then 3 and 8. So then this will be compared again, as the first index of the left subarray is smaller than the first index of the right subarray, which is 2 and 3 respectively. 2 will be added into the subarray, and then 3 and 5 will be compared. 3, 5, and then lastly 8. So then both of the subarrays will be compared again, and the first index of each subarray will be taken. So between 1 and 2, 1 is smaller than 2, then 2 is compared with 4, 2 is smaller. The next one, 3 is compared with 4, 3 is smaller. 4 is compared with 5, 4 is smaller. 7 is compared with 5, 5 is smaller. And 7 is compared with 8, 7 is smaller, and lastly 8. And then so we have our sorted list of numbers using merge sort.